Sound check.
To our beloved Secretary, Dr. Renato U. Saludong Jr., sir. To our DOST Assistant Secretary, ASEC NAP and ASEC Gayan. To some DOST officials who graced us with their presence today, Executive Director Ronaldie Orteza, Executive Director Pisay, and of course our regional directors, Dr. Romela Ratilla of DOST 10, and Dr. Virginia Belgera of DOST 2. For our international exhibitors who are here, and also our local partners, exhibitors, our local partners, Food for the Hungry, 3M Philippines, Shell Live War, Aerobotica, TH Global, and some others. To all our friends and colleagues from the department and also DOST officials, to our participants of the National Invention Contest and Exhibits, students, inventors, innovators, scientists, researchers, isang maagham na umaga po sa ating lahat. Morning. Welcome to the opening ceremonies of the National Invention Contest and Exhibits, a celebration where creativity and ingenuity takes center stage. Over the next 3 days, we embark on a journey filled with innovation, collaboration, and inspiration, a testament to the vibrant spirit of Filipino inventors and researchers. As we gathered here today, we reflect on the rich history of this contest, rooted in Republic Act 7459, the Inventors and Invention Incentives Act, enacted to nurture and protect the fruits of Filipino innovation. This legislation has laid the foundation for our annual gathering, offering incentives such as cash rewards, tax benefits, and assistance funds that encourage inventors to push the boundaries of what is possible. Over 3 days, we will be showcasing the best ideas from our diverse nation. Day 1 will start with an opening program, followed by some media interviews and technology pitching. On day 2, NICE Talks will focus on technology, innovation, and creativity. There will be engaging discussions and interactive sessions, followed by another round of technology pitches. Finally, on day 3, we will have the awarding ceremonies, where we will honor and recognize the exceptional achievements of our participants and reveal the winners of the National Invention Contest and Exhibit. To all our participants, whether you are presenting from bustling urban centers or remote provinces, your presence here underscores the power of creativity to drive meaningful change. Your inventions are not merely solutions, they are catalysts for progress, embodying the innovative spirit that defines our nation. As we embark on this journey together, let us celebrate innovation, foster new ideas, and envision a future where creativity knows no boundaries. Thank you for joining us in this prestigious event. And muli, isang maagham ng umaga at mabuhay tayo sa isang bagong Pilipinas.